we're trying to grow traditional art to the new world of blockchain and the original digital version of the Mona Lisa.
Okay, sounds good.
So as you can see here, there's two different frames. Which one is the best regarding your end?
Uh, of course, this one because so hi Azzi, how are you?
How are you doing? Great.
I'm doing great. And let me know like what is your Sastanaqqam? What is the name?
Playing it well, actually. Sastanaqqam.
Okay.
Well, Sastanaqqam is a whole ecosystem around one token. But the main interesting thing is that we're trying to grow traditional art to the new world of blockchain and so on. And using that, we provide some technologies like the marketplace, the rental place, the virtual museum are added to that non-custodial wallet. And some bench where some blockchain-based game added to that, an educational platform for teenagers or kids to learn, to teach them trading and so on. So the main interesting thing is that we are helping like the people that are more let's say touched by the new technologies, but they don't know exactly what they are, the artists, to digitalize their frame and give them passive income through using the renting or the selling. Also digitalize.
So what are the major application of your ecosystem?
Well, the renting would be, let's say, the book seller, because provide art a way of getting incomes from a piece of art. So as you can see here, there's two different frames. Which one is the best regarding your end?
Of course, this one because I think this is an NFT one. I think.
Actually, it's a frame,
Okay.
a digital frame, and it shows better than the another
one.
frame.
Okay.
And
This is the real one.
yeah, and this is the
Replica of the
digital one, digital
So
version.
you are how you are creating this.
But actually, we're trying to enhance. Well, for this one is already digitalized, so that's why we got the digital versions. Main interesting thing that you can rent original pieces on the Rent Plus, which is a renting platform.
Okay. Like for example,
If you have an expo, for example, and you want to rent the Mona Lisa, which is the original one, I'm saying that.
you think I just
Yeah. You can rent the original Mona Lisa, for example, for a day or two to showcase it to your friend or maybe to your guest and say that's the original digital version of the Mona Lisa.
Okay, sounds good.
And then, like to digitalize, we're working on closely with the development in an RAD, an external RAD for software that enhance quality and give you the chance to digitalize your frame using your phone.
Okay.
The AI and some other technology. But actually, it's not launched yet. It will be at the Sastana marketplace, so you can mint your digital frame, and then you can use it for the Sastana rent and all.
Okay, sounds really great. So, do you have created your own blockchain system for this, or are you using the existing one?
We're actually using an existing blockchain, which is Polygon. But we're definitely, actually, it's one of the aspects of our project, global things. We're launching also a blockchain, but it will be dedicated for games and gamification for companies and so on. And for people that want to enhance their potential in gaming, sorry. So it will be more dedicated to the Porcox Throne, and we're trying to enhance, scale it the way that startups in gaming getting involved in it and running it well.
Sounds good. So, like for example, you are just using the existing one to create this ecosystem. So, are you guys? I can see like you are also having a wallet for your system now. So, are you guys are going to create your own blockchain system into the in the future?
We actually are doing it. As I said, we're doing a fork of the Throne, but it will be dedicated to gaming. But we're not against involving all the project and getting it tracked into our new blockchain. We just think that blockchain is more over, let's say, a place where you can use the technology that is already exists. So you don't have like an added value on the domain. And if the blockchain is doing great the job or doing it well, why looking for another blockchain and trying to dig deep in the
Of course. So,
security?
of course, I know, like as you have created your own ecosystems for your development and everything, the arts you are creating to your application. So, if you are going to, as you are already working on the blockchain, so what are the tokenomics are going to be? Also, what are the percentage share is going to go for the development? And are you guys going to create any burning mechanism for your tokens?
Well, actually, that's a good question, but it's a bit of tokenomics on that case. Our token is not launched yet, but the token is available on the website. You can take a look.
Okay.
The maximum we're on multiply policies, so there is no learning process. We are just multiply,
Okay.
and the main interesting thing is that 1 billion, I guess, token that will be available at the end of the current life of the token, when it will be released around more than 5 years. I think that the release dates are
It's in the
scheduled.
roadmap or
Scheduled,
pipeline.
yeah, and the halving testing and all those things are clarified on tokenomics. You can take a look, maybe if you have the time, and
Sure,
give us
sure,
your
sure.
feedback. Actually,
Sure,
we did it with
we can
the
look into it, and actually, if you can show it us basic figures, so I will let the audience know, and I will also look into your ecosystem after the event, and I will let the audience know like what is the more upcoming new application. Yes, of course.
definitely. You're welcome anytime at the end.
It was really talk to you. Really nice to talk to you, man.
Thank you.
And thank you for your time.